In this powerful video, you will learn 100 sentences on my daily routine in very simple English while living in New York City. You will speak about your morning in a small apartment, subway rides, busy days, halal food, evening walks in the park, and night routine with full confidence. We will go step by step from waking up to going to bed. You will repeat every sentence out loud with me. If you watch until the end and speak loudly, your English will become natural and strong. You will be ready to talk about your day in any conversation, interview, or with friends in America. Let's start right now. Speak every line after me. I wake up at 6 o'clock every morning in my small apartment in New York. My phone alarm rings loudly. Sometimes I press snooze 2 times because it is still dark outside. I get up slowly from my bed. I stretch my arms and legs. I say good morning to my family on video call. First, I brush my teeth in the tiny bathroom. I wash my face with cold water. I take a quick hot shower. After that, I get dressed for the day. I wear warm clothes because New York mornings are cold. I make my bed neatly. I drink a big glass of water. I pray quietly in my room. I make quick breakfast, eggs and toast. I drink hot coffee with milk. I check my phone for important messages. I pack my bag with laptop and notes. I wear my jacket and scarf. I leave my apartment at 7:15. I take the subway to work every morning. The subway is always crowded. I stand and hold the pole tightly. I reach my office at 8:30. I greet my colleagues with a smile. I start my work at the desk. I listen to my boss carefully. I take notes on my computer. I ask questions when I don't understand. I study English during my lunch break. At 12 o'clock, I go out for lunch. I eat halal chicken over rice from the food cart. Sometimes I eat sushi or a sandwich. I walk quickly on the busy streets of New York. I see tall buildings everywhere. After lunch, I return to the office. I work hard on my projects. I use my laptop for many hours. I search new English words on my phone. I repeat sentences out loud quietly. I attend online meetings. I drink coffee to stay awake. I finish work at 5:30 in the evening. I take the subway back home. The train is sometimes delayed. I reach my apartment at 6:30. I wash my hands and change clothes. I help make dinner in the small kitchen. I practice speaking English for 15 minutes. In the evening, I go for a walk in the park. I walk near the Hudson River or Central Park. Fresh air helps me relax after a long day. I come back and rest for some time. I call my parents in on video. We eat dinner together at 8 o'clock. I cook simple Pakistani food or order halal. I eat rice, chicken, and salad. I drink a glass of cold water or milk. After dinner, I wash the dishes. I spend time talking with my roommate. We share stories about our day in New York. Sometimes I watch Netflix for 1 hour. I pray Isha before sleeping. I read Quran for 10 minutes on my phone. I check my phone one last time. I set alarm for tomorrow morning. I brush my teeth again. I change into comfortable night clothes. I lie down on my bed. I think about my goals in America. I feel thankful to Allah for this life. I close my eyes slowly. I sleep at 11 o'clock. I sleep for 7 hours every night. Good sleep keeps me strong in this busy city. On weekends, my routine changes a little. I wake up at 8 o'clock instead of 6. I explore New York, museums, or Times Square. I enjoy my free time happily. I try to follow my routine every day in New York. A good routine makes life easier in a big city. Sometimes I feel tired from the fast life. but I push myself to stay disciplined. I avoid wasting time on my phone too much. I stay away from bad habits. I drink enough water every day. I eat healthy food when possible. Walking in the city is my exercise. I want to improve my English every day. Daily practice helps me speak better. I speak English with confidence now. My daily routine includes prayer and family calls. Quiet moments are my favorite part. I balance work, study, and rest. I plan my day every night. Small changes bring big results in New York. I am proud of my routine here. I want to make my parents proud from America. This is my daily routine in English while living in New York. Welcome to English Speaking Practice.